Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. You should try homemade yogurt. It is healthy and natural for your kids. First, pour the whole milk into the pot as much as you like. Next, boil the milk in low heat. After it boils enough, take them into the bowls that we make yogurt. Take a sweet spoon of yogurt for each liter of milk and stir it with milk as you see. Mix with the milk. Be careful. The milk must be in a suitable heat to make yogurt, not so hot or not so cold. Close the taps. Cover it with a piece of cloth and leave it to ferment as you see for 4 hours. You should try this delicious, pure and natural homemade yogurt. It is so healthy for your kids and yourself. Good appetite and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.